Fold the dinner napkin in half. Fold the far right corner diagonally. Fold the near left corner diagonally. Flip the napkin over and orient it so it points to the far left and to the near right. Fold the bottom half of the napkin up, laying it so the far edges run on top of one another. Reach underneath of the napkin and pull out the flap. Gently roll the left half of the left triangle over and tuck its end underneath the right triangle. Flip the napkin over, points pointing away from you. Fold the right triangle to the left, tucking its end into the other triangle. Open up the hat and press the material inside down to fill it out so that it becomes circular. This may take a little fidgeting.